happy. Today I have a very special unboxing. It is a gift from Purple Door Crafts, aka Cherri. Look how big this box is. I'm really excited. This is the note that's on top. Thank you for being you. Never change who you are because you may be what is keeping someone else going through dark times. I hope you enjoy the gifts. Purple Door Crafts, Cherri. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. And then this says, thank you. Your support of my journey in YouTube land means the world to me. Many blessings. Hashtag Vibe Tribe. Then I got a Vibe Tribe sticker. And there's another Vibe Tribe sticker. And a squirrel, because if you watch Purple Door Crafts, you know that she goes squirrel. Before we open this up, I just want to say if you're new here and you love diamond painting unboxings, diamond painting hauls, whatever you want to call them, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos every day, almost every day. So let's get into this. I really don't want to rip this, but there's no other way into the box. Okay, excuse me. I'm filming a video, Crayon. He thinks he knows everything. He's like, open it from the bottom. But it's not meant to be open from the bottom. Is it? I'm going to cut this. And then after, I'm going to take it out. And then I'm going to tape it back together and put it in my scrapbook. Yes, I keep a scrapbook from all the correspondence that I get from all my friends. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this box, guys. It is wrapped. This is so thoughtful. Oh my goodness! Cherri! Okay, I almost dropped the tripod. Look at this! There's so much stuff. Cool! Little containers. We have some containers. Put our drills in here. This is perfect. This is a perfect size when I do special diamond paintings. That's so nice. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 35. 5 times 6 is 35, right? Clayton?
No, times 6 is 30.
Oh, there's 30. Clayton has let me know that there's 30 thingies. So there's 30 little bottles in here. So this will be perfect for smaller diamond paintings. What else do we have in here? Oh my goodness. Look how pretty this is. It's a little owl. Is this 3D printed? 3D printed owl. And you can put like pens or whatever you want in here. Oh, look at his face. He's so smiley. That's adorable. Okay, thank you so much, Cherri. What's in here? More containers. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, more containers. So here we have little containers about the size of the other ones. This will be so helpful. Thank you so much, Cherri. I love this. I have the bigger version of this that has 60 bottles, but the bottles in mine are different than these. That's cool. Thank you so much, Cherri. Woohoo! I like presents. Do you like presents? I like presents. And then we have, oh, Christmas in May, LOL, diamond painting stocking. Okay, what is in here? Okay, 1 second. Let's open up this other stuff. We have Elizabeth Ward containers. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Cherri, for giving me your Elizabeth Ward containers. That's amazing. Oh, wow. This will be so helpful. Because I was thinking about getting the containers that just have this size because I have this set already. But now I can have more of this size and more of this size and more of this size and more of this size. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Cherri. So we have Elizabeth Ward. Another box within the box. It says, here are a few small little projects when you need a break from those huge projects. Enjoy, Cherri. What the heck? Oh, look at the bottom. That's cute. Okay, let's move this box out of the way. And I'm going to adjust this. What is going on? Okay, let's open this box and then we'll open the purple box after. Now, where did my knife go? Or as Abigail would say, knife. I found the knife. Knife, scissors, wear your jacket, which is a jacket. Abigail can't talk properly, apparently. Wow! Oh my god! That's amazing. A little Crystal Arts Creative LED diamond painting, a little tree, and it lights up. That's so cool. Okay. Diamond Art Club. Christmas cards. These would be perfect. There's a little view on the back. I've never seen these before. These will be so nice to do for friends. Aw, thanks, Cherri. Okay. Okay, I actually, it's the owl. Is it the owl or is it this? Let's look really quickly. I think it's the owl. Oh, it's the owl. So I actually have this kit. I have this kit. This one with the unicorns. But I don't have the owl. Look at it. It's so cute, guys. So it goes like this. Somehow. Oh, the little plastic tabs need to come out. So it goes like that. I am having trouble. And then you go here. That plastic tab needs to come out. And then it looks like this. That's so adorable. I love it. Thank you so much, Cherri. Aw. I love these little snacks. Where did I throw the drills? The drills went somewhere. Oh. I was like, eh? There's the drills. I actually want to, let's open up this thing because I've never had a light before. Oh my goodness. So there's the drills. There's the light. Or that's like the part you diamond paint. And then it sits on top like this. Cool. And then it lights up. That's really neat. I'm excited. I know the perfect place to plug that in. We'll plug it in on Clayton's side of the bed because his side of the bed is gross. And my side of the bed is nice. No comments from the peanut gallery, Clayton. Okay, and then we have a snack painting in here. Let's take a look-see. Ooh! Don't touch my phone. I love it. This is so cute. That's totally me too. Well, actually, I don't care if Clayton touches my phone, but when other people touch my phone, I'm like, don't touch my phone. And that's how I say it. So it's 16 colors. And then here are the drills. Cool. I like this. Aw, thank you so much, Cherri. I don't know how many times I can say that, but thank you for all these gifts. I love it. And then what else is in here? Oh, one of those storage things. I've always wanted one of these. And we have a cube shelf too. So that works out. I'm not going to take it out, but this is like you drill this area. And then it opens up and turns into a little cube drawer. What are these drills for? Oh! And we have some keychains. Let's see what keychains we got. Cupcakes. So we have some cupcake keychains. Aw, thank you so much. These are so adorable. I'm going to do these and mail them to people. That's awesome. I like those a lot. Thanks so much for the little snacks, Cherri. Little snacks. Little snackies. Okay, let's put this in here. Put this stuff back in here after I don't destroy the camera. And then we'll open up this little box. Oops. So let's open up this box, the Elves box by Sophie and Toffee. I don't know if that's actually what it is, but we can take a look. Maybe she just used the box. Curated by Sophie and Toffee. I don't know if that's... Shut the hell up. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Cherri. That really means a lot. I love everything you sent me. I appreciate it. I'm going to open this box. So I had a peek in this box. I just lifted the cover open and I was like, oh my God, this needs its own video. So we're going to open this in a separate unboxing. And you guys are going to die when you see it, what's inside. Not literally die, but also be very excited because it's amazing. So if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Special shout out to Purple Door Crafts, aka Cherri. Thank you so much for my gifts. I love them so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's like you know me. I love storage. I love snacks, everything. And okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.